We're going to show you how to use the CoverUp key to shift stubborn and seized manhole covers and inspection covers. First thing to do is to ensure that your workplace is safe, that is free of hazards, move them or avoid any hazards that there can be. The keyhole or the access hole that you're going to use to lift the cover may be clogged with dirt, so inspect that. If it's packed tight with dirt, and I've seen them like that, the only way to clean them can be to use the CoverUp key cleaning tip. So secure that in place with a retaining pin and use the weight of the bar, get into where the keyhole should be and just work it around like this, working around all the way around the keyhole until you've got good clean access to the underside of the lid with the tool. Clean contact between the tip and the underside of the lid is key to the tool working and getting the impact that it's designed to deliver. Okay, so when you've made sure that you've got good access into your keyhole, select the appropriate tip. We're using a 32 mil flat tip for this cover. And put the tip into the keyhole and move the key 90 degrees in order to lift it. And you notice I've done this at the wrong orientation. So all I'm going to do is rotate the tip by 90 degrees so that it's in the correct orientation for what I need. So we put the tip in, rotate it 90 degrees, and I'm ready to go. Stand in front of the manhole with your feet parallel with your hips and ensure that you're in a naturally upright posture. So what's natural for you, upright, so that you're putting no strain on your back. Never stand on the manhole because you can't lift yourself. So when you're comfortable, you take a firm grip with both handles and lift quickly with an upward action using only your arms. Okay? Use multiple lighter efforts rather than trying to release a cover with a single effort. Just like a hammer, you're going to take a few efforts to get through the job, okay? So lighter efforts, banging upwards like this, just using your arms, natural upright posture. Eventually, when the cover has been freed, then you might be able to, if it's light enough, lift it using the most appropriate handles. It might be a thick lid, you might be shorter, so use the right handles to maneuver the cover if it's light enough, and you can do it using approved manual handling methods. So use your legs to lift and move the cover free. If it's too heavy to do that, then use alternative lifting equipment in order to maneuver the cover. And then finally, before you put your tool away in your bag with all the bits, inspect it to ensure there are no bits that are broken or worn or need replacing, so the next person who needs to use the key is able to. Now get out there and lift some lids.